What do you guys usually do when your girlfriend's out of town? Because personally, I decided to see how many beers I could get into one grilled cheese sandwich. So let's get a beer counter on screen. To start, I made some sourdough bread, except I swapped all of the water in the recipe for beer, which means that there's actually an entire can of beer in here. I've never done this before, so I did accidentally underproof it a bit, but it smelled amazing and it should still work great for the sandwich. The next step was to make some slices of beer cheese, and I did this by cooking down 1 can of beer until it was about a quarter cup of liquid, and then I added 12 ounces of cheese and a teaspoon of sodium citrate. Once you let this cool in the fridge, you can slice it up and use it on the sandwich. Now admittedly, I probably could have made a sauce using beer, but instead of doing that, I decided to make a beer battered tilapia, which added another whole beer to our beer counter. Once the sandwich was fully toasted, I knew there was only one option for a drink pairing, which was obviously another beer. Cheers. That's actually fantastic.